What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you watched my previous video, I took you along with me while I did some DIY shopping quarantine style. Typically I like to go to thrift stores, but they are just not open right now at the moment. So we hit Dollar Tree, we hit Big Lots, 99-cent store, and we hit Hobby Lobby as well. I found out that Hobby Lobby was open, which is super exciting. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you all of the items that I got from all of those stores. And if you are interested, go ahead and keep on watching. I picked up were these. These are chalkboard name tags from the Dollar Tree section. This isn't really my vibe. I'm not like a super big chalkboard lover, but I thought these would be cute to hang for labels or something like that, like putting towels on here, washcloths, something like that. These are actually super cute and they come in a pack of 4. I also picked up some rocks from the Dollar Tree as well. I am going to be creating a succulent project. I thought these are really cool. They're just stones. I got black ones and I have little multicolored stones here as well. An additional thing that I picked up from the dollar store is this twine. It's called jute twine. These are awesome. There is, how many? 300 feet in each of them. So I actually picked up 4 of them. I love to use twine for kind of everything around the house or any different project. Let me see if I'm able, I don't think I'm able to get this open to show you. There we go, okay. Oops, all right. So this is actually what the twine looks like. So it's kind of thin. Obviously we got it from the dollar store, so it's going to be a little bit on the thin side. It's not gonna be super thick, but 300 feet, you kind of can't beat 300 feet for twine for $1. The items I picked up from the Dollar Tree are these guys. I picked up a square one, and then I actually picked up a round one as well. What I'm going to be doing with these are actually like yarn projects. So these are going to be wall hangings eventually, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the yarn kind of around here, drape it. So I thought these are really cool. This is the last item that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I just thought it was so cute. It actually didn't even have like a label or a tag on it. But this is like a little coaster guy. Thought he was so darling. I love, love, love sunflowers. So I am actually probably gonna put it on this table that's sitting right here next to me. This is typically sitting like by our couch, the table, so it'll be nice to have a little coaster. Okay, so next items we're gonna talk about are actually these really cute little planters that I got at the 99-cent store. Not everything at the 99-cent store is 99 cents. I don't know, I guess it just ends in 99. I actually didn't know that, which is super weird, but so I got this planter here. I actually bought 5 of them because I was like, okay, they're $1.49, like why not buy a couple of them? So these guys I got, this I'm going to put succulents in, and then I'm gonna actually lay those little like river rocks that I bought at the Dollar Tree on top of the soil. In there. I got a plain black one. I just really kind of like plain black. And then this one's super cute too. This is actually a gray. It's kind of got like the same vibe as that little sunflower coaster that we bought from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so these are the items that I picked up from Big Lots. I actually just picked up 2 wire baskets. You can find these at Walmart. I was gonna make my way to Walmart, but your girl was exhausted, and I just didn't want to deal with Walmart on a Saturday, to be honest. But small basket with liner is what this is called from Big Lots. It was only $8, which is a super great deal. So what I'm going to do with these is a shutter project. I actually bought these little chalkboard clips from the Dollar Tree that I showed you earlier to go ahead and attach to the basket. So I did pick up a ton of yarn from Hobby Lobby. All yarn at Hobby Lobby was 30% off. I don't know if they still have that sale. They did about like a week ago. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. This yarn I'm going to be using for these wreath hangers. So kind of imagine yarn on those guys. So that's what I got this for. So the yarn I actually bought for $2.79 each, which is like a crazy good price at Hobby Lobby. Keeping in the theme of all of the yarn that I bought at Hobby Lobby, I also picked up these guys. These are like embroidery, what are they called? Embroidery hoops? Actually, all they say is steel ring. So I picked up this steel ring, 4 millimeters thick. So 19 inches is this guy, and this one I bought for $3.99. I also picked up 3 separate ones, so I'm going to attach yarn to these as well and do a yarn project. I thought how cool would it be to like hang on the wall, kind of like this. So these guys are 8 inches and I got them for $1.50 each, which is like crazy good. I probably should have picked up like 10. So a couple more items that I got in regards to all of our yarn projects are these yarn beads. They actually just say wood beads. I did pick these up from Hobby Lobby, so I got some big ones and I got some smaller ones. I do actually have some wood beads here as well that I'm going to use. My envision is getting like driftwood from the beach, which I actually have. I have a couple of pieces of driftwood that I've really been wanting to use, hang yarn from them, attach beads to them. So these are really great. The big round ones, how many of these? 9 for $2.99. And these smaller ones here, there's 36 of them for $1.99. So I picked up 2 of these from Hobby Lobby as well. Okay, so if you know me, you know that I am a sucker for good knobs. I love them. I actually have like a little bit of like a knob collection happening right now in my craft box, and I should probably just use them, but I love knobs. So I got these at Hobby Lobby. I got these adorable little yellow guys. Can you see what he looks like? I got these adorable little yellow guys at Hobby Lobby. I actually picked up 3 of them. So these were $3.99 originally, but I also got these little yellow guys for 50% off. I think all knobs are 50% off, which is so exciting. I also got this one. Can you see him? He is super cool. He is gold and he's got like a marble texture. This I'm actually going to put on a side table. So I bought a side table from Craigslist for like 20 bucks. I'm actually going to use some peel and stick tile that I already had at the house, used for a bathroom. It's just left over. I'm gonna put that on top, redo it, and then give this guy, put this guy as a pool. So this was originally $6.99, but I got it for 50% off. Last but not least, in my knob collection here, I got these guys. These are so cool. So I bought these for that shutter project as well. There's 2 shutters, so I thought that I'd give kind of like a different vibe. With both of the shutters, these again were $4.99, 50% off of that. So they were like $2.50 each, which is great. And then I picked up 3 of them as well. All right, everybody, well, that concludes this DIY shopping haul. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification button if you want to be notified about any videos that I do. Thank you so much for watching. This was super fun. Stay tuned for all of these exciting projects that are going to be coming out of all of these items that I bought. Bye.